Sir?
Okay. See. So what the question is given? Limit extending to 3. Limit extending to 3. X square minus 8x plus 15 by x square minus 9. When you substitute 3, it becomes to what will be happen? It becomes to 0. 0 by 0. Indeterminate form you are getting. That's why numerator you need to do factorization. Limit extending to 3 x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 divided by denominator x square minus 3 square. So limit extending to 3. So x get common, x minus 5 minus 3 get common, x minus 5 by x minus 3 into x plus 3. So now limit extending to 3, x minus 5 into x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x plus 3. Yes or no? So then x minus 3 get cancelled. So now you need to substitute the 3 in the place of x. So 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 3. That is equal to minus 2 by 6. So equal to minus 1 by 3. That be the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Show that. Second question. Show that limit extending to 0 plus modulus of 2x by x plus x plus 1 is equal to 3. We need to show. Limit extending to 0 plus and x greater than 0. X greater than 0, the modulus of 2x will becomes to 2x only. Okay. Plus x plus 1. So x get cancelled. Limit extending to 0 plus. So 2 plus 1 it means 3. 3 plus x. So substitute x is equal to 0. And 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Okay. Step function. Then you can able to get that part easily. So what is the step function? See. So limit extending to limit extending to 2 plus step x plus x and 2 minus also we require to find out. First this one, see. So limit extending to 2 plus. So step function means greatest integer function. For example, 2 plus and 2.3 I am taking step 2.3. Step 2.3 value how much? It becomes to 2 because the least integer we need to take. So what the value is there inside that must be greatest compared with the nearest integer. That's the meaning of that function. So that's why step x plus x is equal to, so now in the place of step x you can able to take 2 now because the step of 2.3 is equal to 2 and x plus also 2 only. 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 4. Okay, so now come to the down one. One more is there. Limit extended to 2 minus step x. The asking question is. So now step 2 minus means less than 2. So I am taking 1.9. Step of 1.9 how much value? So step of 1.9 is 1 because of least integer you required. That's very important. Not with 2, 1. So that's why. So limit extended to 2 minus step x plus x is equal to step x value it becomes to 1 now and x value is 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3.
Okay.
What is that? So limit to fourth question. Limit extend into 0 a power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1. Limit you can able to write for the numerator separately a power x minus 1 by limit extend into 0 b power x minus 1. Okay. So limit extended to 0, a power x minus 1 by x I am taking denominator. Limit extended to 0, b power x minus 1 by x also we can take. So numerator we have formula log a. Denominator we have formula log b. So combined we can able to write log a to the base b. That be the answer. See the fifth question. How to do fifth or first one? The question first one. Sorry, that limit extending to 1, 2x plus 1 by 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Directly substitute 1 now. 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 5. Simplification. 3 by 3 minus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 3 by 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. That be the answer. Second one. The question second one. What is that? Limit extends to pi by 2 cos x by x minus pi by 2. Limit extending to pi by 2. What you are saying? Sine of pi by 2 minus x you can return. Yes or no? Minus get common. So denominator also pi by 2 minus x. So limit x, so pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. Sine pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. There is a denominator, one negative is there. That negative keep outside. Minus. So this completely part is becomes to 1 because of we have a formula sin theta by theta. So your answer is minus. Fifth question, third one. See how to do fifth question, third question. So what is that? Limit extended to 0. Sin ax by x cos x. So limit extended to 0. Sin ax by x separately by limit extending to 0 cos x in the denominator. So numerator observe limit extending to 0 sin ax by x is there, multiply and divide with the a. Denominator, substitute denominator cos 0. So denominator becomes to 1. So limit to ax tends to 0 sin ax by x. By 1. So this part is I rounded, see that part becomes to 1 now. 1 into a by 1 is equal to a with the answer. Fourth question, what is the given information? Limit extending to 1 sin x minus 1 by x square minus 1. Limit extending to 1 sin x minus 1 by denominator can written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So limit extending to 1 sin x minus 1 separately. Limit extending to 1 by x plus 1 is separate. Okay, this becomes to this round 1, this becomes to 1 now. And 1 into this substitute 1 by 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. That will be the answer.
Yes.
Fifth question of fifth one. So limit extending to 0 e power 7x minus 1 by x. So limit extending to 0 e power 7x minus 1 by 7 multiplied dividing 7x into 7. Okay, this completely part, what I rounded, the completely part becomes 1 into 7 is equal to 7. That is the answer.